Are you planning a move in Tucson or beyond? Today, we're diving into why 3Movers is your go-to moving service for all your Tucson, Arizona needs. From efficient packing to safe transport, here's why we're the top choice for movers near you. Moving to another state or even across the country can be overwhelming. Packing, planning, and organizing are just the beginning. At 3Movers, we handle long-distance moves with ease, ensuring your items are transported safely and efficiently. Got a local move? No problem. At 3Movers, we specialize in smooth and efficient local shifts across Tucson. Within hours, your belongings will be safely at your new location. No stress, no hassle, just fresh starts. Moving your office or business? It's a whole different ballgame. But don't worry, our team at 3Movers is experienced in handling all types of commercial moves. We'll safely transport your office supplies, furniture, and equipment, minimizing downtime and getting your team back to work faster. Military families know the drill. Swift relocations are part of the lifestyle. We're proud to offer specialized moving services for military personnel, ensuring a smooth transition wherever duty calls. With our full-service moves and storage options, you can focus on your mission while we handle the logistics of getting your belongings to the new base. Thinking of relocating abroad? 3Movers is experienced in international moving, managing everything from paperwork to shipping. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring your move overseas is as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more moving tips and solutions. 3Movers, your trusted partner in making every move seamless and stress-free.